Tesla Motors has been in the news lately. Its new car, the Model 3, attracted 275,000 orders in just 3 days, and £30,000 saloon cars, however they're powered, don't normally threaten to break the internet and jam up the phone lines to quite the extent that this one did. Things have been going quite well for Tesla, then. The company has started up, moved off, set about building the largest single factory in the world and is about to change G. Meanwhile, Tesla has been making incremental improvements to the car with which it blazed the trail 3 years ago when it set about proving that the electrically powered luxury car's time had come. Since our 2013 road test, the remarkable Model S has been in receipt of more power and performance, neither of which it really needed: more battery capacity and cruising range, a second front-mounted electric motor and consequent four-wheel drive capability, and a new Autopilot feature that extends beyond the abilities of most carmakers' lane-keeping and active cruise controls. All good reasons for another full autocar road test, and this time, in a right-hand drive, UK-registered car. The Model S range now starts with a sub-pound 55,000 312 bhp rear-drive model, moving up to include four-wheel drive options of both 324 and 411 bhp and either 70 or 90 kWh of battery capacity. Here, we're trying the top of the range p90d, complete with ludicrous speed upgrade, all 525 bhp, 713 pounds-foot and 97,000 pounds of it.